What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. And today this is a big one guys. I just funded my biggest account yet, and yeah, it's a it's a very big accomplishment according to me, and I'm really psyched to show you guys that everything how I did everything, and I'll be talking with you guys and telling you everything. Yeah, how I funded the account, the broker, which type of broker I use, and yeah, I'm going to be showing you everything. Lately, I haven't been posting on my YouTube. My schedule has been a little bit tight, but I'm going to be making sure that I'll be updating you guys every week, at least twice a week or thrice a week. So, yeah, thank you for your support, whoever is watching out there, and yeah, I appreciate it. Starting this account, I thought that no one was going to even watch my videos, but I have like, is it 12 subscribers? Yeah, currently I have 12 subscribers, and yeah, um, really, I really appreciate the support you have given me, and I'll be able to post a little bit more to show you my progress, guys, and how I'm making everything work. So I about the account that I just funded. So previously I told you in the introduction video that I was trading was it at $9? Yeah, it was a $9 account. So I had a friend who hooked me up with something like 10, I think $6 to $10. So I topped up on another account to make my biggest account yet, which is a $17 account. To some of you guys this might be little money, but to me it's very big, because this is the highest amount of money I have ever traded with. And yeah, I need your help, guys. Those any profitable trader who's watching this video, I need your help to tell me how I should manage my risk and how I should trade oftenly. And yeah, I need your help, guys. So somebody hooked me up with the account, and yeah, I got the account, funded it on my new broker. I'm going to talk about the broker later in the video. My new broker, and yeah, and this broker is the best that I have ever seen, because its spreads are not that wide, because the it has a spread margin. Let me see how much. Let me just check here. I'm going to show you guys the account in a few, but it has it has zero. Yeah, it's a 0.8 pip. Let's see. Yeah, it's a 0.8 pip. Yeah, it doesn't even make a pip. So that's the lowest the spreads could get, and I think that the highest that the spreads could get, and I think that is very good according to my trading style. But I'm not sure, is it the highest or the lowest? You guys can help me in the comment section. But anyway or another, I funded the account, and I'm going to be showing you, because it's a 17.559 cent dollar account, and it's very good. I'm going to show you guys the account so that we can keep on the same page. So hold on, guys, hold on. My machine is somehow down, but it's going to come back, so just hold on. Yeah, there we are. As you can see, I've not yet traded this account. You can see my PNL is on 0.0. The balance is $17.59. A margin is 0. Pre-margin 17.29. Margin percentage 0.0%. Credit 0. Leverage is a 1 to 1 powder. Yeah, this is very good. This is a very good leverage, given that I'm trading a very small account. This is very good. So yeah, I think that's it. And this broker is called XM. It's called XM broker. I have left a link in the description. Its spreads are not that tight. You can register using that link. Its spreads are not tight at all, and not that wide at all. Sorry, I'm not that wide at all. That's why I switched from XM to I switched from XNS to XM because and it met my trading style. And yeah, so that's it about that broker. If you want to get it, link in the description. Um, so how am I going to be trading this account? So essentially, I want to make some kind of timetable because I have been at school and my schedule is been very tight because I'm still in high school and we spend a lot of hours at school, not compared to those who are in college. And yeah, my schedule is very tight, so I don't know how I'm going to be able to make it, but I'll be able. But I think I found a way. I'll be trading the New York session because the New York session in Uganda starts at 3 p.m. Yeah, I think 3 p.m. Around 3 p.m. So I'll be trading the New York session most of the times with pairs like USD, JPY, GBP USD, Euro USD, those pairs like that. So I'll be trading those pairs like that, and yeah, please stick around and follow my journey. Uh, yeah, and that's the main reason I created this retail account. Some of you might find this a little bit weird showing you everything, but the main reason why I created this YouTube account is to document my journey and show you everything in depth, step by step with you guys, and promote full transparency with you guys. And yeah, hope we inspire someone out there who's willing to start trading anytime soon. So yeah, guys, thanks for the support, for that little support, and I hope this channel grows to inspire more young traders like me and who are having a tough time balancing trading with books. I'll be sharing my journey with you of trading with books, and yeah, I think that's it. So thank you guys for sticking around, and hope we get to we hope we connect in the future and help to find more people on the internet, more great people on the internet. Yeah, just practically connecting with you guys. I think that's it. So peace, love you guys.